Welcome everybody to another edition of Blacks in Motion right here at Black Video News at 8. And as always, it's your sports guy Cliff here giving you the hottest news in sports out there right now. And on this week's segment, we're going to talk NCAA basketball tournament. That's right, we have champions now. And that's going to lead me to a discussion of best college basketball coaches of all time. Now back to the tournament bracket. Yeah, mine was blown up, yours was blown up, but there finally is a champ. The Duke Blue Devils have won the men's bracket out there. That's right, for the 5th time under head coach Mike Krzyzewski. Look, this guy's one of the best coaches of all time. Maybe I'll mention him later on. But go ahead and look at Tyus Jones. That's right, freshman guard Tyus Jones, for he was the most outstanding player of the Final Four. He had 23 points and 5 rebounds in the championship game. He stepped up and led the Blue Devils past the Wisconsin Badgers. Now, I know everybody might be a little bit disappointed that we weren't able to see Duke versus Kentucky in the final, but look, nothing was a disappointment. It was a great tournament capped off by that win. Now, moving over to the women's bracket. Yeah, you know, it's starting to get a little bit redundant with the UConn Huskies. The women's team won the title again for the 3rd consecutive year, and that's number 10. Yeah, that's what I said, 10 for Geno Auriemma, the head coach. Look, that guy has a formula. He already built a reputation for that program to recruit some of the best players in the country, and all he does is win. And the most outstanding player of the Final Four was yet again Breanna Stewart, again for the 3rd time, where she contributed 8 points and 15 rebounds, and she's also the AP Player of the Year. So look, there's your 2 champions, well-deserved. I want to take my hats off to both of those programs. They've established a great legacy in college sports. Now, when we come back after the break, we're going to talk, well, who are some of the best coaches? So we talked about Krzyzewski with 5 and Auriemma with 10. Well, I'm going to keep it on the men's side, and we're going to talk best coaches of all time. Go ahead and stay logged on right here.